In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove year from date in Google Sheets and Excel. We're going to hide the year from your dates without changing the underlying data. That means your dates will still sort correctly and work in formulas, but your sheet will only display the month and day. This is done with formatting, not editing the actual values. Start by opening your Google Sheets file so you can see the column that contains your dates. Click once on the column header or drag to select the specific cells you want to format. A quick tip here, make sure your dates are real date values and not text. If they're left aligned or don't change when you change formats, they might be text. You can fix that with tools like split text to columns or by converting with a date function, but if your dates already behave like dates, you're good to go. With the dates selected, go to the top menu and choose Format. From there, hover over or click Number to open the Number Formats menu. Now choose Custom Date and Time. This opens a builder where you can control exactly how dates are shown using pieces like day, month, year, and separators. In the preview format at the top, click directly on the year element. You'll see it highlight as a removable component. Press Delete to remove the year from the format. If you want, you can also adjust the separators so the result looks clean. Maybe keep a slash, a dash, or a space between the month and day. You can also switch month to a short name like Jan or a number like 01 and choose whether the day uses a leading 0. These choices affect only the display. When you're happy with the preview, click Apply. Your selected cells will now show only the month and day while the full date, including year, remains stored in the background. You can still sort, filter, and run date formulas that depend on the year. If something doesn't change, double check that the cells are genuine dates and not text. Also keep in mind that your locale controls the default month and day order. You can customize the order in the builder to match your preference. And if you're working in Excel, the concept is the same. Apply a custom number format that displays only month and day, such as MOMD or MMDD, and the stored year stays intact behind the scenes. That's all you need to remove the year from dates while keeping your data accurate and usable.